Hey, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the noise in crypto, charts everywhere, endless tweets, and conflicting advice, you're not alone. Most traders spend hours chasing hype, only to miss the real opportunities. But today, I'm going to show you how to cut through all that noise and actually spot what the smart money is doing in Ethereum in real time using a powerful tool called ZenChain AI. Stick with me because once you see how this works, you'll never look at crypto trading the same way again. Here's the truth. Most retail traders lose money in Ethereum because they're late. By the time they hear about a hot project, whales have already bought in, pumped the price, and are halfway out the door. That lag in research is the killer. You're always chasing, never leading. But what if you could see exactly where the whales are moving their money, live, as it happens? Imagine knowing what tokens they're buying, what they're dumping, and being able to act before the crowd catches on. That's exactly what ZenChain AI does. It's a crypto dashboard built to track whale wallets across Ethereum and other chains. Instead of spending hours digging through Etherscan or scrolling Twitter, ZenChain AI compiles all that data for you in seconds. Here's the magic. It shows you in tokens what whales are buying right now. It shows you out tokens, what whales are selling off. It gives you instant access to contract addresses, charts with SMA and MACD indicators, and even AI-powered social sentiment analysis. So instead of guessing, you're following the smart money. And that's how you flip the odds in your favor. Picture this. You log into ZenChain AI, and the dashboard immediately shows Ethereum whale activity. You see a token that just had $48,000 injected into it over the past 7 days. Only a few thousand holders, but whales are piling in. With one click, you can pull up the chart, check sentiment, and copy the contract address straight into your wallet. Swap in, ride the wave, and when it doubles, swap out. That's the 2 times and play with house money strategy. Simple, fast, and effective. And this isn't theory. Traders using ZenChain AI have reported flipping $400 into $2,000, making $19,000 in a single day, and even stacking 6-figure gains just by following whale wallets. The creator, Ricky Matega, has over 25 years of software development experience and $40 million in online sales. He built ZenChain AI to systemize whale tracking so anyone, even beginners, can use it. As Ricky says, "It's so simple even my 73-year-old mother can do it." Here's why this works so well. Whales know something we don't. They have insider strategies, deep research, and massive capital. ZenChain AI lets you see their moves instantly. No guesswork, no chasing hype. You save hours of research and avoid costly mistakes. And because Ethereum runs 24/7, you can do this anytime, on your phone, tablet, or laptop. It's like having a crypto crystal ball, showing you where the smart money is flowing. So if you're serious about trading Ethereum smarter, not harder, ZenChain AI is your edge. Stop wasting time chasing noise. Start following the whales in real time. Here's what you need to do. Click the link below to get instant access to ZenChain AI. Dive into the dashboard and start tracking Ethereum whale movements today. Use the training included to learn how to swap in, swap out, and lock in those gains. Remember, the goal isn't to gamble, it's to follow proven money flows and let the whales do the heavy lifting for you. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto strategies, and share this with a friend who's tired of chasing hype. Smart money moves first. Now, with ZenChain AI, you can move with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.